Just put this GE small window AC in my kid's apartment or guest house. Okay, sorry I didn't show you the whole thing, but basically it's not that big. Again, this is not professional install. So what we did, we opened the window here and then we slide this. Okay, we extend the accordion a little bit right here. Now we didn't buy any put any piece of wood here to level it off, so definitely it's not the perfect solution, but it is pretty easy to do. So you slide the unit in here, and this is a vinyl window, it's not wood, and you can see how this sit like that. Okay, same thing here. All right, now on the bottom here there's a space, so we put a little piece of insulation here, make sure there's no space and that hot air can come in, you know, somewhat. We can do probably better. Now to then we close the window, right? And also we make sure that the angle so when we put these slanges, so we make sure that this unit slanted a little bit to allow water to flow outside instead of coming in here and create mold or whatever, damage floor. Now right here, what we did, we don't want to screw anything into the vinyl. You know, I saw some people that would screw something in here, but we don't want to do that. So instead, this is pretty, it's like a little hack. Actually, the old unit was screwed in like this. So we screw a long screw in here, you can see, to hold window in place. You can actually get a piece of wood to actually put in here to prevent the window from going up also. I think this height is about 12.5 anyway. Maybe we'll do that just to keep the window in place like this, so you cannot actually open the window, to keep the unit like this. That's how we did it. Some people use like a L bracket here. You can put like an L bracket here to adhere the window to the frame here. If you want, you can do that. The trick is that just to keep the window closed, you know, shut, so no one can accidentally open it and this thing can fall off. Okay, so hopefully that kind of makes sense. And make sure before you do anything, make sure your unit is good, turn it on, make sure it's produce cold air before you actually install it. So I think that's about it. We might, you know, improve the insulation a little bit here, and maybe, like I say, we'll put pieces of wood here to keep 12.5 to keep a window from opening by accident. Alrighty then, we'll see you folks on the next video.